Everyone, Miss Joelle here for Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to send an email at a later time, so scheduling it to send later. So you can go ahead and add your subject. So I'm going to send a good morning email. You can type whatever you would like. Have a great day. I also recommend doing the BCC, especially if you don't want people to reply all to your email. If you BCC, nobody has the ability of doing that. So I usually put the names in here. So I'll send one to Miss Tierney. And I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow. So instead of clicking send, I'm going to click this little down arrow. And I'm going to click send later. And then what I can do is I can schedule my time. So I want it to be tomorrow at 8 a.m. But again, you can change the date, you can change the time, or you can type in something specific if you want it to go out at a certain time. And I'm going to click send. And then it will be here in your draft box until it is ready for you to send out. So yeah, it'll be sent at the time that you selected. There's also an option for doing this in your Gmail accounts, but I wanted to show you all how to do it on Outlook just in case you needed to. Hope that's helpful. Have a great day.